Hello, my name is Ethan Pottinger. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba. This is my project for the internal assessment. What I made here is cribbage, just a card game, as a proof of concept for these three classes right here, which would help any starting programmer or any programmer to, make card games, just to help with that. These three classes are basically what I made this project on. So this is just the proof of concept. So it works just like basic cribbage. I drew an ace. I won the deal. So it's my crib. So I can throw, let's do these 2 10s into my crib. And the card that was drawn was 2. So those cribs, the cards that I threw away will go into my crib. And so that when I count the points later, I get those points. So this starts the pegging. So I throw in a 3, he puts a 10. I throw in a 7, 5. We play that 3. This goes on. So he plays the 10. I'll play that 8 because it's the only option I have left. He plays that 8. He gets the last card for 1. Now we count our points. So here we have 15 for 2, pair for 2, so that's 4. And then player 2 has an 8, 10, 5. So he has 15 for 2, 15 for 4, pairs 6, and then also the 15 for 2 for 2, 8, and 5. So that's how you get 8 points. And then he has the crib, or this is my crib, and so I get good hand. So I have 2 10s for 2, and then 2 2s for 2. So that's 4 points. Then we can count the 15s. We have 10 2 3, and 10 2 3, and then 10 2 3, and 10 2 3. So that would be 8 points, plus the 4 points that we have. And so this basically just goes on, flipping on between the opponent's crib and my crib. And then it goes until somebody gets 120 points. So basically here's where the main bulk of crib is. So here I put the winning score as 120. If I wanted to change it to, I only need like 20 points to win, I can. Normal cribbage, it's up to 120. And this class uses, of course, the card class and many of my other classes, such as, player class as well, which uses the hand class. And so the card class works, just to keep track of cards and what they are. So they have, their value, their suit, and the type of card they are, such as like an ace 2, jack, queen, king, or whatever. And we have our suits, and we also have the 2-string method, which anytime I want to output a card, which is what you see most of the time when the program says player 2 drew ace of spades or whatever. That's what the 2-string method does. It just changes that to 2 of spades. So the type of suit it is. And I use this class in combination with the hand class as a linked list of cards, because cards grow and shrink, so it doesn't have a fit size, so an array wouldn't work well here, but a linked list would work perfectly. And I also have the deck class, which basically what it does is maintains the cards and keeps track of what cards have been taken. So this one is an array of just 52, just to show that there are 52 cards, and if one is taken out, it becomes null. So null value would represent there's no card here. There's no ace of spades in the whole deck. In the hand class, I do have a deck class here as one of the global variables, but I have it as static. that static keyword means it's shared by all all instances of the hand class. So all hands share the same deck, which is very true in normal playing cards. All hands that the player has is part of that one deck. So this keeps track of all the cards for all the hands. And so these have like a bunch of methods, such as returning cards to the deck, or drawing cards, getting cards. And the deck class also has most of these same methods, just so I can use them in hand. And card has, you can just mainly just return value, and if two cards are equal or not. Then we have the linked list here, which was used in a hand class. And then I also have the global methods, which are just methods that I use often. So I think in one of the classes for player, I had to organize deck of cards in run score. So with this array of the types of hand, it just gives you all the types in an array. All the types of cards it is. And it sorts them in this player class using the global methods bubble sort. So I have this in my global methods just so I can help